In this video, we will learn how to use Mround function in Excel sheet. So this is my Excel sheet. I have here amount 10,327 and percentage 13.70 percentage. And I get here the amount by using this percentage on this amount, the 1414.799. I'm used here some formula of multiply to get this amount. So I get this amount in decimal. So I'm using here the Mround function to round off this amount. So I use this Mround. Okay. Then select this amount, comma, and enter here number. Those number you can divide the output amount and you get the round off amount. Suppose I enter here 4 and bracket close. Okay. Then is equal to I divide this by 4 and I get round off amount 354. If I divide this amount by 5, I get amount in decimal. So there is a one way you can use the second number also. If I enter here 2, okay, then I can divide this amount by 2 and get it round off amount without decimal. Okay, if I divide this amount by 3, it's get the decimal. So mention here those number which you want to divided amount around in round off. Okay, so I want to divide by 7 9. I enter the 9th here. Okay, once again, after the 9 enter, I select this number and divide this 9. It's get 157. It's a round off amount. If you divide it by different number, it's get the decimal. So the Mround function, it's used this way. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.